What's up guys, Javi from PM Waterworks. Welcome back to our channel.
And Ricky from PM Waterworks.
And Ricky ruined the video.
Don't forget about me guys.
So today we have a 2023 Crosstrek for a billets work short shifter. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. So we're installing a short shifter on this, and as you guys can see right here, this is stock, right? So the throw on this shifter is like super long, right? So short shifter is going to help us to have a more, I wouldn't say efficient driving, but it'll enhance the drivability of the car just because it won't feel as sloppy as right now. And then it's a Crosstrek, so not really for sport or anything, just really for drivability. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we already have this. This is the old part we're going to be replacing for our short shifter, and then this is our new one. You see the difference? It's way smaller, but it's way heavier than this one, right? So that'll help with the feeling when shifting. This is our new gear selector, so we're going to start putting it back together on the car. Alright guys, so all this stuff you guys see right here, we're gonna have to put it back in here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, everything's installed in this short shifter assembly. So now all there's left is install it in the car and it's ready to go. So we're technically all done. All we got left is a test drive, and then just make sure the gears go in nice and smooth. That's about it, but you guys can see the difference now. Here our boy Tomaso put the difference on the video. Hope you guys can appreciate that. Right there, you guys can see how shorter the gears are. So let's go on a test drive and see what's up. Alright guys, so we reached the end of this video. As you guys can see, we have our shifter all done. Look at that, nice and smooth. Pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys want to see any more videos, let us know in the comments, and then we'll do our best to try to record more of these videos so you guys can see the behind the scenes of how we work at PM Auto Works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.